guys, welcome to our Fun Friday craft. Today we're going to do DIY, which means do it yourself, chalk. This is really more like paint kind of because it's liquid, non-permanent paint. So in your kit, you're going to have the paintbrushes, a little bag with cornstarch, and 2 different colors of food coloring. So you'll also have your cups. So you'll have enough to make 2 different colors of chalk. Here's one that I already made. You can see it's nice and bright blue and it's liquid. So we're gonna mix equal parts cornstarch and water. So I have a 1/4 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and just about 5 drops of blue food coloring, and I've got my paintbrush, and you can go outside and paint it on your driveway and it'll wash off with water just like regular chalk, and it's pretty fun. So let me show you how to make your second color. Here's a little cup, the cup that we give you. You just need to put a 1/4 cup of water in it, and in your bag you'll have enough cornstarch to make both cups. So you need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. So you might need to get a little measuring cup. I happen to know this one already only has a 1/4 cup because I already used the other 1/4 cup. But when you get your kit, it'll have a 1/2 cup. So you'll have 2 servings, okay? So I'm gonna dump it into my water. Then you need something to mix it up with. So for this blue cup, I used a fork, but now I didn't bring it with me. So I'm just gonna use my paintbrush. And I'm gonna mix it up until it's all liquidy. There's no clumps of cornstarch. I guess if you just wanted to have white paint, you could just leave it without any food coloring. Now I'm not sure if food coloring might dye your clothes, so be careful with your clothes. You don't wanna get it on your clothes, I think, but it should wash off of your skin. Okay, my cornstarch is all mixed. And I have a blue and a red, which I already used a blue. So now I'm gonna make a red. So just open up your little container, be careful you don't spill it, and dump it in. All right, now I've got red chalk paint. It can be kind of confusing because there actually is a paint that's called chalk paint. And it's real paint for, you know, furniture or whatever that looks kind of chalky. This is just temporary, like liquid chalk. So I think we should go outside and see what it looks like. Okay guys, we're outside in the library's atrium, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the ground when you use your chalk paint. So you can see this one I painted on a few minutes ago, so it's already dry. I'm gonna paint another one next to it so you can see what it looks like when it's wet. This is on bricks, so it's probably better if you do it on your driveway or a sidewalk or something. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's wet, and then when it's dry, you can see it looks like it's real chalk. Let's try out the red. All right, there's my sad heart. There we go, it's a little better. All right, enjoy painting with your chalk paint. We'll see you next time.